It's me, Alexa. Hi everybody, it's me, Alexa. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So I went to the store and I got some nail products. So number one, we have this. Like, you need a brushes on your nail. Then number two, we got nails. So pretty. Number three, we have this. Only one. It was the only one. It was the only one at the store, but it's like broken. It's like broken. It was the only one that has this. Then I got this. Just gonna read it. This $4. $3. So I want to do nails. I need to open my gloves. So because this is already open. Okay. Let's go to the cards. They open the bottom right here.
FBI, open up! FBI, open up! Open the door up, Nancy. The door is unlocked.
So then we got
FBI, open up! Hey, why you have to stay right there? Hey, why you have to stay right there? They have to eat. They have to drink water.
this actually. It comes with its own glue. If you want it. It's not open. Like that's the one that you not open.
That is weird. What?
You have to put it on.
You eat that forever. What?
Oh, I think it's supposed to clean my nails.
Forever. I don't know how to read. You have to think. You have to think. Story while you think dirty. FBI, why you have to stay right there? Why you have to stay right there? You're the prisoner. Police! There's a prisoner at our house. Okay.
Okay. So now we're gonna take off this. Whoa. Okay. So I'm gonna start with this one first. I don't know why. I just want to. I think it fits in my middle thumb. I think it's my middle thumb. I think so.
FBI, open up!
Oh.
FBI, open up! FBI, open up! FBI, open up! FBI, open up! You don't do down! Bring the daddy!
I'll come back to it and like organize it. Okay guys, I'm done with my nails and that's so
Yeah,
they're so pretty.